In 2002, we wanted to make flying affordable. Came out with this tagline, now go on and fly. I hope we're making some of your dreams come true or making your life easier flying with AirAsia. Whatever it is, you're surrounded by amazing people who we call All Stars. They'll look after you really well. Thanks for flying AirAsia. Have a great day.
Kembali ke bijak ke tempat asal lepas dengan setiap dibuka sepenuhnya. Dilepaskan semua alat elektronik kebudayaan ditetapkan tersebut pada bahagian di atas adalah dilarang. Dan kuasa senjata bersama anda dan disimpanan dan dibawa tempat duduk hadapan ataupun pada duduk sepanjang masa. Anda dinasihatkan untuk mengawasi bangan pribadi anda pada setiap masa. Kami berbangga berikan kemenangan 16 tahun berturut-turut sebagai syarikat penerbangan tambang rendah terbaik dunia oleh Skytrax. Satu pencapaian emas yang dicapai bersama-sama dengan sokongan daripada anda. Terima kasih kerana menjadi sebahagian dari kami. Dear guests, good morning and welcome aboard AirAsia Flight 891 to Kuala Lumpur. Command of the flight is Captain Wagner, assisted by First Officer Shah, receiving a cabin crew data. The flight will take 2 hours, which is upright and cheers about 20 fastened solar treaty when open no negotiation. Ensure that all portable electronic devices are now sent to flight mode. For reasons, smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and battery removed. The use and charging of e-cigarettes and power banks aboard are strictly prohibited. Power banks must not be stored in the overhead compartments. They shall always be kept with you or stored in your bag placed under the seat in front of you or in the seat pockets at all times. Please keep an eye on your personal belongings at all times. We are proud to celebrate 60 consecutive years as Skytrax world's best low-cost airline. A good milestone made possible by your support. Thank you for being part of our journey. Cabin crew to the demo station. Dear guests, please remove headsets, earphones, and earbuds prior to passengers need briefing.
kami akan menunjukkan ciri-ciri keselamatan yang terdapat di dalam pesawat ini. Oleh kerana keselamatan anda adalah keutamaan kami dan atur cara keselamatan ini mungkin berbeza dari pesawat yang lain. Sila beri perhatian yang penuh kepada anak-anak kapal di hadapan kami.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you.
Ini tali kedar anda.
This is your seatbelt.
Untuk menekannya, masukkan ujung logam ini ke dalam kepala tali kedar dan tarik ujung tali kedar untuk meletakkannya.
To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap.
Untuk membukanya, tarik logam-logam pada tali kedar anda.
To unfasten, lift the metal flap.
Jika isyarat tali kedar dinyalakan, anda mesti kembali ke tempat duduk dan pasangkan tali kedar dengan sempurna.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely.
Jika corong oksigen seperti ini terkeluar dari unit di atas anda, tarik corong oksigen dengan serta-merta.
Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you.
Sekupkan corong oksigen pada hidung dan mulut, pasang pengikat kepala dan bernafaslah seperti biasa. Anda mesti memakai corong oksigen pada diri sendiri dahulu sebelum membantu mereka yang di bawah jagat anda.
Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care.
Lampung keselamatan ada di bawah tempat duduk anda.
Your life vest is under your seat.
Untuk menggunakannya, sarungkan dari kepala seperti ini. Sambungkan klip ini dan tarik pintu ini hingga ketat.
To use it, slip it over your head like this, clip on the waistband, and pull it tight.
Semasa di pintu pesawat, bimbungkan lampung keselamatan dengan menyentap pintu merah ini ke bawah.
At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vests.
Anda diingatkan sekali lagi supaya menggelembungkan pelampung keselamatan hanya bila anda berada di pintu pesawat.
Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow.
Lampung keselamatan ada satu corong. Jika perlu, tiup seperti ini untuk menambah angin dalam pelampung.
Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation.
Lampu ini akan menyala semasa berada di dalam air dan whistle ini ditiup untuk menarik perhatian.
The light comes on when in contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention.
Gelongsor keselamatan ada terdapat di semua pintu kecemasan. Sila beri perhatian anda kepada lokasi pintu-pintu kecemasan yang akan ditunjukkan oleh anak-anak kapal sekarang. Adalah diingatkan pintu kecemasan yang terdekat mungkin berada di belakang anda.
Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you.
Sekiranya berlaku kedaratan kecemasan di permukaan air, rakit keselamatan ada terdapat di semua pintu kecemasan kecuali pintu B.
In the event of a landing on water, slide rafts are located at all exits except exit B.
Semasa kecemasan, tinggalkan barang-barang anda apabila keluar dari pesawat.
During evacuation, leave your hand luggage.
Jika terdapat asap, tunduk dan gunakan lampu di lantai sebagai panduan ke pintu yang terdekat.
If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated.
Pesawat keselamatan ini ada terdapat di dalam satu tempat duduk di hadapan anda. Sila baca dengan teliti.
A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully.
Para penumpang yang duduk bersebelahan pintu kecemasan diminta mempelajari cara-cara penggunaan pintu kecemasan di risalah keselamatan.
Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card.
Anda dilarang merokok di sepanjang penerbangan. Merokok di dalam tandas akan mengaktifkan isyarat kecemasan.
This is a non-smoking flight. Please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm.
Terima kasih di atas perhatian anda.
Thank you for your attention.
will be seated for takeoff.
seatbelt sign is now on. For your safety, we highly encourage that the seatbelt disposal even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments. We will begin with the distribution of pre-booked meals and the sales of food and beverages shortly. Pre-book the meals on the AirAsia mobile app and website. Receive up to 44% on future trips. Browse our Samsung catalog for exciting deals on anything you like. If you see anything you fancy, do let us know. Please be informed that a transaction of outside food is not allowed on board AirAsia flights. As a reminder, please